Hi, this is Kevin Graham at KGNOW here in Santa Clara, California with Preben. Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
Oh, we're here at the Robotics show. So tell us about your company.
Yeah, my company is Blue Workforce. We introduced robotics that is simplified so it's more accessible, applicable, and affordable.
Outstanding, because it's easy for the big companies to adopt it, but we've been chatting and you actually support some smaller organizations. To what industries do you serve? What are your markets?
Our markets are food primarily, and then we entered recycling, especially household recycling, and logistics and e-commerce for small parcel sorting and packaging. Yeah.
So food processing, packaging, logistics, some recycling, and you've got one local customer here because you haven't been in the United States long. You haven't been in America long, but you've got a lot of heritage as a company, don't you?
Exactly. So we have started a rollout of our partner program.
Okay.
And one of our local guys, Bake Take out of Livermore,
Okay.
who has 25 years experience in food and bakery.
All right, so you're here pursuing new customers in the markets we talked about, food and others, as well as resellers, people who are currently supporting organizations and enterprises and looking to expand their portfolios. But you're also looking for technicians and people maybe out of HVAC or other industries who want to come in, get certified in your applications, your systems, and then become a technician and have a business, have a franchise in that space, aren't you?
That's exactly right, and that's the disruptive business model that we try to roll out, that we actually would like to tell the public that it doesn't take a PhD or master degree to get into robotics, and the industry has actually more use of technicians than more masters and PhDs, because before these robots can actually become comfortably deployed, and especially SMEs, we need a hurdle of technician transition from automotive or similar technologies and mechanical engineering approach, because there's nothing more to it. As you saw, that this is more a computer game skill set than anything else. So if you can repair your motorcycle, you can do this.
Yeah, I don't need 7 degrees to deploy this. I just need to be technically competent on the system, or have the capacity to engage with it, which is fairly routine once you're trained, right? Tell us about what you offer to help those people who maybe want to come in as technicians get up to speed.
So basically we saw a need and for these guys to transist. So what we can do is offering them a training program, including a financing of all the tools and the van and what they need. And in most cases, we can actually provide them with the customers and the revenue they need for the first 6 months after certification. So it should be a kind of a smooth ride to get in here.
Wow, there's an easy transition from a legacy industry of HVAC, air conditioning, other spaces, and come into modern technology where you can have a new frontier for growth. Now let's get back to your primary markets of food and then also your reseller ecosystem. What do you want to say to people maybe watching the video who maybe have a smaller operation or maybe a reseller, a support organization? What can you say about Blue Workforce that would make them want to check you guys out?
Well, first of all, we lowered the price by a factor of 4. So even we have financing companies also here in the States that's offering that you can have the robot for free for the first year. Very low lease rates, so basically be around to have one robot that can work around the clock for you as efficient as an associate will be around $1,200 per month. So this is really an attractive from a financial point of view. Secondly, with this fleet of supporters and service guys around you, you should be comfortable to have this kind of technology in your production on a daily basis.
So the adoption is more reasonable forever for smaller organizations. How can we find you online? How can we learn more?
Well, blueworkforce.com. That's our website, and even there you can go into learn blueworkforce.com. That's an e-learning center where you can learn a lot about the product and get comfortable about how it works.
Robotics and automation, blueworkforce.com. Preben, thanks for taking the time.
You're welcome. Thank you.
This is Kevin Graham at KGNOW.